Today we're having a look at BTC standard hash rate. That's Bitcoin hash rate. It's currently $21.66. Now BTC hash rate has been on the recovery road, to be truthful with you. 1 month ago it was $5.50. In the last week, in the last few days in fact, it's been as high as $38.41. So it's been doing really well lately. It's been on the recovery road, which is great. So we're going to go for a price analysis, some of the latest updates from June, an evolution of Bitcoin with far less carbon emissions. Now for everyone who don't know what BTCST is, we're going to go for it. Bitcoin standard hash rate. Now a significant impediment to participate in Bitcoin mining is the limited number of exist options. Bitcoin standard hash rate tokens solve this problem by bringing exchange grade liquidity to Bitcoin mining. Now each BTCST is collateralized by 0 to 1 terahash per seconds of Bitcoin mining power. Now by staking BTCSTs, holders of the token will receive daily Bitcoin distributions that correspond to the mining power staked. And because the market price of BTCST is determinable as the discounted cash flow of the underlying mining power, BTCST is secondary trading will perform as a leveraged Bitcoin token free from liquidation risk. Not to mention BTCST will create an efficient market for Bitcoin mining power in ways similar to how Grayscale Bitcoin Trust creates institutional liquidity for Bitcoin. Now that's just a quick introduction to standard hash rates. My first initial video I made on BTCST, their Twitter account actually reposted that video. So let me just send a thank you to BTCST for retweeting my video. That was really helpful at the time. Till this day, it's one of my most popular videos from 9 months ago with 13,000 views. Really impressive stuff. So let's get into the latest updates from June. An evolution of Bitcoin with far less carbon emissions. Now in brief, this STP named Blue Sky Purpose B20, an evolution of Bitcoin with far less carbon emission. If passed, B20 will be fairly and one-to-one airdrop to all Bitcoin holders as if it was a straightforward Bitcoin fork. There will still be no pre-mining, new issuance, or ownership misappropriation. B20 will follow Bitcoin's mining schedule, but will be upgraded to proof-of-stake mining, while Bitcoin holders might claim their one-to-one B20 anytime. The proof-of-stake mining rights of all unclaimed B20 will be proprietary assigned to the BTCST holders, who can then participate in B20 proof-of-stake mining as if their BTCST were B20s. It doesn't sound that easy to understand, does it? To be honest with you. But we understand the goal of BTCST is to continue to make an economy much more efficient to mine Bitcoin, especially for the environment. If you can bring down the environment cost, that will have a much positive limelight for Bitcoin and for Bitcoin hash rate as well. Now in terms of the price, where can we be before the end of this year? That's a real question. Now when I initially made my video on this, the price was $33 per coin. Now the thing is that I think it has a lot more potential than that. Take into consideration the max supply is 15 million, circulating supply is 12.2 million. That's an extraordinarily low supply of tokens. So don't be surprised if this token hits $100, $200, $300, $400, or $500 in the near future. Near future meaning this could be in the next 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years. That's the near future for me. But do not be surprised if this coin goes absolutely mental. Especially when the circulating supply is so extremely low. You have to understand that for these cryptos to pump, it doesn't take a lot of volume. In fact, the current 24 hours trading volume is just around 28 million. That leaves the market cap of 262 million. Market cap is extremely low. The trading volumes are extremely low. Now these trading volumes are nothing to compare with. What happens when the trading volume are hitting, say, 500 million on a monthly basis, on a 24 hours given basis during a month, or continuing? We can see this happen in the next bull run. We don't know when the next bull run will be. It could be in the next 6 months, could take a year, could take 2. But nevertheless, you can expect the price to hit in the hundreds of dollars. 200, 300, it's all possible. Especially if the trading volumes rise at $250 million or even $500 million. That'll even be more impressive. But that's it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick catch up on BTCST. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more, and I'll see you in our next video.